All right, we got the new blower motor for the Infiniti, the year 2000 Infiniti I30. All right, so we're gonna put this in. I'm gonna show you real quick how you're gonna have to remove the glove compartment. It's just no way around it. It's behind it. You can't see it right here, but it's behind this. All right, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here on the bottom of it. You see it? 5. It's like right in there. You can't really see it. Let's see. Let me get you a little light on there. 5 and then 6. You're gonna take them off. You're gonna remove the glove box. And you're gonna take it out. When you take it out, you'll see right here in the corner. It fits behind this stuff right here. You'll see this little door insulation. You'll see when you take it out, it'll come out, but it's got a little lip behind there. And that lip, you're gonna have to kind of turn it to your right. You have to angle it at your right when you put it back in. You're gonna angle it to your right and then just kind of move it back over. You know, turn it when you put it in from here. Then you're gonna bring it back around like that and clamp it in. You'll see it. And you just put your screws back in. It's real easy, but just take your time. Take your time when you taking this glove box off, when you putting it back in, because it can be, it can get a little, we're just lining things up a little bit, but it's not hard. It's not hard at all. It's not hard. You can do it. You can do it. So the blower motor, it's just under here. You can see it just a little bit right there, but you got to take this off or you can't get to the screws. And it's got 4 screws, I think. I'll show you. We already changed the resistor, so it's real easy to change this motor out. And we're gonna just do some little comparisons and check some ohms and things like that to see why it was bad in the first place. And so, all right, here we go. Just give me a second, but I'm not gonna take the whole. I'm not gonna show you while I take out the fan motor, because it's just so simple. It's that easy. I'm gonna show you where it's mounted and how to take it out, and I'll show you about the ohms and everything, and then so you'll know what's bad and what's not, what's good and what's bad, or what's bad and what's not. You'll know. So, all right, just give me a second. Let me get this together. All right, so on the new motor, right here, we got like point 0.2. 0.3 or something like that on the new one. Okay, but it may be something more to it, like just because I think I was getting maybe the same thing. I might have been getting more ohms on the other one, but I'll let you know. But the new one, you got like 0.3. You know, but at the same time, it could be. Mine was binding. Mine was like my bearings or something was bad in it, you know. So, yeah, we're going to see how the other one, I'm going to take it out and I'm going to just check the other one to see what the ohms are. And we'll see what it is. But when you fixing this problem, when your blower motor goes out, I recommend that you just go ahead and get the blower resistor and the blower motor though. You order them both new from Amazon. It's cheap. You know, it's like less than $50 for both of them. So I would say change both of them, because I changed my resistor and then the blower motor started working, but my blower motor's still binding. So I'm gonna change it, even though it will turn. It's binding, and I'm not gonna let it. You know, it's gonna mess up something else if I keep trying to run it. So I'm gonna change it anyway. So we're gonna go ahead and change that. But like I said, I'm just gonna show you where everything is, and you can change it because it's real simple. All right, so I got it out, and that's how everything. I got the dashboard out, or the glove box out. That's how everything look. All right, that's your motor right there. When it's connected, you see you got 1, 2, 3 bolts, and then you just got this little pipe in here. Then you got your connector right there. See that? Yeah, connector right there, duct right there. All right. Then all you're gonna do is just take those 3 out, pull it down, put the new one in, plug it back up. That's it. All right. So, and I know it works, you know, cause, so it does. So that's pretty much it, y'all. That's pretty much it. And that, yeah, I want to say that's it. You know, when you take it out, when you're taking that dashboard out, it's got this little thing. You'll see it right there at the top, and you're gonna just use your fingers or some needle nose pliers and push those in and push it out. Your light for it, you're gonna screw it counterclockwise to take it out for the glove box. And that's it, guys. It's real easy. All right, y'all have a good day. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, you want to see more, like and subscribe, please. All right, y'all have a great holiday. All right, so on the old fan motor, the ohms on that one. I mean, I can't. Okay. I'm trying to get my meter to. You see the ohms on it? They fluctuate on the one that's bad, and then they sit at like, you know, I don't know. You can't see it. Wait a minute, let me see. Can I get it? See them? See how the ohms do? The coil, the windings. See what I'm getting? With the bad fan, the fan that's bad, it's doing all this. The fan that's bad, the motor that's bad, the blower motor that's bad. See what it's showing me on the ohms? It's showing it fluctuates, and then it sits at about 1 ohm. And so the motor is, you know, I don't know. With a DC motor, it's a little different. And so it's fluctuating, like I don't know, there's something funky going on with that, with the windings, with the, you know, the shaft and the magnets and whatnot and all of that. It's just something weird going on with it. So, you know, that's, I guess, why it's bad in this DC motor. And then it doesn't turn as freely either when you spin it. The new fan motor, it turns a little bit more freely, but it's not just like a free spin where it'll just keep spinning. It just spins a little bit and it stops by itself. So it spins a little bit freer, the new motor. And then you just have like a 0.4 on the ohms. And so that's how it works, y'all. All right. Y'all have a great holidays.